morning, students. You are most welcome to the language class. We are starting chapter 3, that is countable and uncountable noun. Noun, we know it is the name of a naming, it is a naming word, it is the name of some things. Things which we can count is called countable noun, and which we cannot count is called uncountable noun. For example, if I will give you a basket of apples, I think you will be able to count it. We will be able to count it. But if I will give you a plate of rice and ask you to count how many rice are there, can you count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? How many rice are there? No, it is not possible. Isn't it? It is not possible to count rice. So, countable noun means that we can count. For example, vegetables, fruits, like this. And uncountable, right? Like grains, like rice, wheat, milk, water, any drink we cannot count. So we are going to the chapter that the nouns in the passage below are highlighted. Sort them into nouns that can be counted and nouns that cannot be counted. So we have to read the passage. You will read the passage and you have to say which one we can count and which we can count. We cannot count. And we have to write it in the blank given below. Okay. So we are starting. One thing more. Here it is written SORT short. Here SORT short means pick out. SORT short means pick out. There is another word, same pronunciation, that is called homophones, that is SHORT short. That means shorter in height, smaller in height. Okay, so here SORT short means pick out. It was terribly rainy day, but I had to go out. Day is a countable noun, or count, we can count it. We have to write it in the left. Noun that can be count plus s or es, here we have to write. Okay, day. My mother was ill and she needed some medicine. Mother and medicine both will be here. Countable. We need food. Food is uncountable. So nouns that we cannot be counted, under that we have to write food. My father made a list of, for me. So father and list, countable. I would buy milk. Milk, uncountable. Sugar, uncountable. Uncounted. Butter, uncounted. Tomatoes, countable. Onion, countable. Bread, countable. Eggs, countable. I walked in the rain under my umbrella. Rain, uncountable. Umbrella, countable. After a while, I realized that I had forgotten to bring the prescription. Prescription is countable. So you have to write it in the book only. Next, we are going to the next page, that is page number 25, countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns which we can count. For example, an apple, 2 flowers. Uncountable nouns are nouns which we cannot count. For example, water, rice. Read out the differences between countable and uncountable nouns in the table below. Countable nouns. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms. So countable nouns will have singular form and plural form. 2 forms will be there. Uncountable nouns have only singular forms and cannot be turned into plurals. For example, rice, honey, we cannot change it. Rices, honeys, we cannot write. We have to write rice, honey in plural forms also. Next, number 2, we use a or an or number words before countable nouns. A or an or any number, like 1 book, 10 books, 3 book, like this we can write. An apple, a ball, 2 cats, 10 books. Number 2, for uncountable, that is, we cannot use a, an or number words before uncountable nouns. No, we cannot use that. Okay. Number 3, we use many, a few before countable nouns. In before we will write only a few or a few boys, many fruits. These words, a few and many, we will use in front of countable nouns. We use much, little before uncountable. Much for many and little for small quantity. Much for many quantity, more in quantity and little in for less. Okay. So we will use much or little for uncountable nouns. Underline the countable nouns and circle the uncountable nouns. The first one has been done for you. This one you will do in book. This one you will do in book. Okay. Uncle Prasad has 10 pets who eat a lot of rice. So pets countable, rice uncountable. Next, number B, pour water into a pot to make tea. Here water and tea uncountable. So that means you have to circle water and tea. Pot countable, you have to underline it. Okay. Water, tea, circle, and pot, underline. Add 2 spoons of sugar, some milk in the 2 cups. So spoons and cups will be countable. You have to underline it. Sugar and milk you have to circle because this is uncountable. Next two you will do by yourself and you will check the answers when I will send you the answer keys. Next, page number 26, number 2. Write C for the countable nouns and U for the uncountable nouns in the sentences below. The first one has been done for you. Here it is done in the book, but you will do in the copy. You will do in the copy. You will copy the question and then you will write. How you will write? I don't like soda, but I like curd. You have to write soda. You have to write the question at first, I don't like soda, but I like curd. Under that, in the next line, you will write soda, dash, C. Okay? Next, curd. Soda and curd will be uncountable. Soda and curd will be uncountable. You have to write their uncountable noun. Okay? Next, my aunt uses a lot of butter to make cakes. Butter uncountable, cakes countable. There are many windows in the classroom. Windows and classroom both are countable. Do you have some glue to fix the vase? So glue uncountable, vase countable. Next, you will do by yourself and you will check the answers when I will send the answer. This one you have to do in the copy. Next, number 3. This one also you have to do in the copy. Number 3 also you have to do in the copy. Underline the uncountable noun. Add s or es to the countable nouns. Nasir has dark hair and brown eyes. You have in answer you have to write Nasir has dark hair and brown eyes. And you have to underline here. Here is uncountable. Nasir has meat, rice, vegetable for lunch. So Nasir has meat, rice and vegetables for lunch. He sometimes has sandwich. Sandwich, here you have to write he sometimes has sandwiches. Next, you will do by yourself and you will check the answers from the answer key. Next, we are moving to the page number 27. See, to talk about the number of uncountable nouns, we use a piece of, a box of, a can of, etc. before uncountable nouns. I bought a sheet of art paper for my project. So paper, art paper we cannot count. So for that we have written I bought a sheet of. We have to add these things. A sheet of, a box of, a can of. These words we have to use to show the quantity of the uncountable nouns. My young sister carried a bucket of water to the garden. So water we cannot count, but a bucket of water. So this thing, some nouns we have to put like this to explain the quantity of the uncountable noun. Neetu gave me a can of milk. So milk is uncountable, but when we are saying a can of milk, a can we cannot count. So to show the quantity of the uncountable noun, we use some words like a piece of, a box of, a can of, a sheet of, a bucket of, a bowl of, like this. Next, fill in the blanks with slice, tube, bunch, loaf, bowl, tub, or cartoon. Okay? So I went hiking with my friends last Sunday. Mom packed a bunch of grapes. We have to write here bunch, a bunch of grapes. Grapes we cannot count, so we are using this a bunch of. And a dash of juice, a carton of juice. I had a loaf of bread for lunch. I also had a bowl of soup. We used a tub of butter with it. We would have loved a slice of pizza, but there was none. What else did Mom pack? A tube of toothpaste to clean my teeth. So I have told the answers, listen it and write it in the book. Use a or some before the following words. Dash packet of chips, a packet of chips. Dash glass of milk, a glass of milk. Dash water, some water. Last three will do by yourself. Next, fill in the blanks using how much or how many. So how much we will use in the front of the uncountable nouns, and how many in front of the countable nouns. Dash apples. How many apples are we carrying to the picnic? How many? Water. Water is uncountable. So how much water should I pour in your glass? Next page. I don't know dash money I should spend on buying new books. I don't know how much money. Dash pens does Rahim have? How many? Next is milk. Milk is an uncountable noun, so we will write how much. Here, revision. Go to the revision. Nouns that we can count are called countable nouns. Nouns that we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. We cannot make their plurals. Next, come to the green box. We have not read this part. Countable nouns can be counted. We can use them as singular and plurals. And uncountable nouns cannot be counted. We cannot add s or es to make their plurals. So go through the chapter, read the chapter at first, then listen the video again and do the work properly, because in live class I will see that you have done this in your copy. So as soon as you are getting this, do it in the copy. Okay? So if you have any problem, write in a piece of paper or in your copy and you will ask me in the live class. Remember that you have to write the problems, otherwise you will forget. Okay? So till the next class, goodbye. Have a nice time.